G-Tech, G for Genius.
Welcome to JavaScript for Beginners to Advanced course. In this course, I'll show you ins and outs of JavaScript programming. After finishing this course, you will be an upcoming skilled developer. Let's dive into the worlds of JavaScript. In this short introduction, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? What can be done with it? How to run JavaScript code? And what is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript? Let's explain the first question. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the most popular and widely used programming language, and its popularity rising day by day. Because big companies like Facebook, PayPal, Walmart, they're using this programming language to build their application. So average salary of a JavaScript developer is very high in United States. So learning JavaScript can be a very good investment for your future career. You can be a front-end developer or back-end developer, or you can be both as full stack developer. Now, what can be done with JavaScript? In old days, JavaScript was only used in browsers to build interactive web pages. Some developers criticize JavaScript as a toy language. But now scenario is different because large community support, large companies like Facebook, Google investing on it. Now you can build web application, mobile application, real-time network application, video streaming and chat services, command line tools, and also games. Now answer to the third question, how to run JavaScript code. JavaScript actually designed to run in the browser. So nowadays every browser can run JavaScript code. To do that, they must have JavaScript engine. For example, JavaScript engine for Firefox is called SpiderMonkey, and Chrome it's called V8. You can run the JavaScript code outside the browser using the program called Node. Node is a C++ program that includes Google's V8 engine developed by Ryan Dahl. So you can pass the JavaScript code to Node for execution. And this means with JavaScript and Node we can build backend for web application and mobile application. And finally, what is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript? ECMAScript is a JavaScript standard meant to ensure the interoperability of web pages across the different web browser. It is standardized by ECMA International according to the document ECMA-262. The first version of ECMAScript was released in 1997. And from 2015 it releases new version in every year. Enough theory, let's see JavaScript in action. Now you already know JavaScript engine is built in every browser. So you can run JavaScript in a browser without any additional tools. Let's see how. So open up Google Chrome browser, right click on any empty area and select Inspect. This opens up Chrome Developer Tools. From here select console. In here we can write any valid JavaScript code and execute it. So write your first code, console.log bracket single quotation hello world single quotation bracket end and semicolon. Type enter to execute the code. As you go through the course, we are going to understand exactly what all this means. So don't hesitate, just press enter to execute the code. You got the hello world message in the console. You can also do mathematics here. For example, 1 plus 1 is 2. You can show message like this one. Write alert, parenthesis, double quote, hi, press enter. Here is the message for you. Enough for today. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to set up your development environment and how to write code.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of next video.